May I help you? May I help you? No, thanks. No, thanks. Would you like to find another job? Would you like to find another job? I think not. I think not. Do you know that hotel? Do you know that hotel? No, I don't know. No, I don't know. What will you use it for? What will you use it for? I will use it for my mobile. I will use it for my mobile. What do you do? What do you do? I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Who is she? Who is she? This is my mother. This is my mother. Was the weather nice last week? Was the weather nice last week? Yes, it was beautiful. Yes, it was beautiful. Did you remember to call him? Did you remember to call him? Oh no, I completely forgot. Oh no, I completely forgot. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I am all right. I am all right. How was your trip to Spain? How was your trip to Spain? It was great. It was great. Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? Yes, I want to be rich. Yes, I want to be rich. When does it begin? When does it begin? It starts in the evening. It starts in the evening. How old are you? How old are you? I am 32. I am 32. Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Is this your bike? Is this your bike? Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? Why me? Why me? How are you? How are you? Why don't you reply me? Why don't you reply me? What do you do in free time? What do you do in free time? Did he call me? Did he call me? How deep is the lake? How deep is the lake? What are you talking about? May I speak to you? May I speak to you? What is on the desk? What is on the desk? Are you upset? Are you upset? How long it will take you to come? How long it will take you to come? What now? What now? Who are you? Who are you? Who now? Who now? Did you pass? Did you pass? How high is that mountain? How high is that mountain? What time is it? What time is it? How far is your office? How far is your office? Which one's yours? Which one's yours? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? May I use your pen? May I use your pen? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Have you had your meal? Have you had your meal? When will you come? When will you come? Are you inside? Are you inside? What now? What now? What's going on here? What's going on here? When will you go? When will you go? Where's the museum? Where's the museum? What is the problem? What is the problem? Has he come yet? Has he come yet? Did you finish the job? Did you finish the job? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.